Is your OBS stream stuttering over NDI after a Windows update? Here are the fixes that actually work, step by step.
Start here. The permanent fix. Microsoft broke NDI streaming with the August 2025 security update and then fixed it the very next month. Open Windows settings with the Windows key plus I.
Click Windows Update on the left sidebar, then click Check for Updates. Install any update released on or after September 9th, 2025. On Windows 11 24H2, that's KB 5hour65426. On Windows 10, it's KB 5hour65429.
Both contain the fix. When the update finishes, click Restart Now. Save your work first. After the reboot, verify the build. Press Windows key plus R, type WinVer, and check the OS build.
Or open PowerShell and run get hotfix to confirm the update is installed. That's the permanent fix.
If you can't install the update right now, keep watching. The next fixes work while the bad update stays installed.
Fix 2, the official workaround from the NDI team. It works instantly, and no reboot is needed. First, download the free NDI Tools pack from ndi.video/tools and install it.
Open the Start menu and launch NDI Access Manager. It comes with the NDI Tools pack. Go to the Advanced tab and find Receive Mode. It's set to Auto by default.
Change it to Single-TCP or UDP if you prefer. Then click OK. Repeat on every computer in your NDI setup, the sender and the receiver.
The stutter stops immediately because TCP and UDP were never affected.
Fix 3. Uninstall the update that caused the problem. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Update History. Scroll down and click Uninstall Updates.
In the list, find Security Update from Microsoft Windows KB 5.063878 on Windows 11 or KB 5.063709 on Windows 10. Click Uninstall, confirm the prompt, and restart your computer.
Windows may reinstall the update later, so pause updates under Advanced Options until you're ready for the September fix.
Fix 4. A quick workaround when the stutter is tied to display capture. In OBS on the source PC, find the display capture source. Click the eye icon to disable it.
Then click the plus button and add a window capture or a game capture instead. Microsoft noted this bug is especially visible with display capture on.
This swap avoids the trigger until you apply the real fix.
Fix 5. Stop Windows from power-saving your network adapter. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your network adapter and open Properties.
On the Power Management tab, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. On the Advanced tab, set Energy Efficient Ethernet to Disabled. Click OK and retest your NDI stream.
Fix 6. Repair the NDI software itself. Close OBS completely.
If you have the old OBS NDI plugin installed, uninstall it. It conflicts with the current plugin.
Install the latest NDI runtime, version 6.3 or newer, from ndi.video/tools. Then install the Distro AV plugin for OBS and restart your computer.
Open OBS and check the Tools menu. Distro AV and DI settings should be there. Your NDI output is ready.
Fix 7. A Windows update may have replaced your GPU driver. Download the latest driver from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Also download DDU. Display Driver Uninstaller.
Boot into Safe Mode. Settings, System, Recovery, Advanced Startup, Restart Now. Then Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings. Press Restart, then choose 4. Enable Safe Mode.
Run DDU, select your GPU brand, and click Clean and Restart. The PC restarts with the old driver fully removed.
Back in Windows, install the driver you downloaded. Choose Custom, and check Perform a clean installation. Restart and retest.
Fix 8. Your firewall may be blocking NDI. Open Windows Security. Click Firewall and Network Protection, then allow an app through Firewall. Click Change Settings, then allow another app.
Add UBS, ubbase64.exe, and the NDI Tools apps. Check both private and public, and click OK.
If sources still don't appear, add port rules. 5353 UDP for discovery, 5960 TCP and UDP, and 5961 and up for the streams.
Fix 9. Check the network and diagnose properly. Use wired gigabit Ethernet on both PCs and keep them on the same subnet. NDI over Wi-Fi stutters on its own. Test with NDI Studio Monitor.
If it stutters there too, the problem is the network. If it only stutters in OBS, the problem is OBS. Upload an OBS log. Help. Log files. Upload last log file.
Paste the link into the OBS log analyzer at ubsproject.com/tools/analyzer.
So, why did this happen? The August 2025 Windows Security Updates, KB 5063878 on Windows 11, KB 5063709 on Windows 10. Dane broke NDI's reliable UDP transport.
NDI traffic started dropping and that showed up as stutter. Only RUDP was affected. TCP and UDP stayed fine, which is exactly why switching the receive mode fixes it.
Microsoft confirmed the bug, and the September 2025 updates fixed it for good. Display capture makes it worse, and it can happen even on a fast network. And Windows 11 23H2 was never affected.
That's the full fix order. Update Windows to September 2025 or later, or switch NDI to TCP and UDP. Then work through the driver, firewall, and network checks.
9 out of 10 times, the update or the receive mode change solves it. Thanks for watching.